Hello, welcome. Today we are going to upgrade the roof light of my parents' car to LED light for high brightness and visibility. To remove the roof light, carefully pull and push the light housing from the front side. After removing the roof light housing, disconnect the roof light electrical socket. Now it's time to remove the old roof light bulb carefully. Let's install our new upgraded LED light back to the roof light housing carefully, and there is a positive and negative terminal to the LED light. Install the light and test before completely installing. Let's reinstall our new upgraded LED roof light back to the roof, and it's time to connect the wire connector back to the light housing. Before completely installing the roof light, it's time to test it. After testing the light, it's finally to finish the project by installing the roof light housing back to its place. Thanks for watching the video. Take care, drive safe and drink responsibly. Tata, bye bye.